Hi, this is Laura. So today I was asked how I make my spreads that I post on the Facebook groups that I'm part of look so pretty, and well, today I'm going to show you. I'm using an Android device, and the first thing I do is start off with a screenshot of the planner page that I'm about to use. This is in a DPC Digital's 2021 planner, and the first thing we do is crop the image and take away the white space at either side of the planner and share it with an app called Autodesk Sketchbook. Like I said, I'm using an Android device, and the planning app I use is Zodo, and the app I use to edit the image to post it on the Facebook groups is called Autodesk Sketchbook. So the first thing we need is a background, which I'm going to choose a wooden one and put it onto the page and copy those two images to make one big image, and then I'm going to merge those two images together and put the planner image behind it, well, in front of it. So I'm going to put the wooden image behind the planner image. The next thing to do is resize the image that you're using. Once it's, obviously in the right position, you can resize it and then add a tablet overlay to it. And the shop I use to get the tablet overlays from is called Pink Punch Studio, and they have lots of different accessories, desk style accessories to decorate your desk space with, and so I like using those and the tablet overlay for that. And you basically just resize the image so that the tablet overlay fits over the top of the image to make it look like the image is on a tablet, if that makes sense. Probably does, but yeah. And then after I've resized the image, I can then merge those two layers together, and once that is done, I can then move the two images as a whole because it becomes one image then. And so I then position that on the page and add some more decorations to the desk space. I'm going to be using some daisies again from Pink Punch Studio, and I'm also going to be creating a plate of cookies for this demonstration here, this layout. So when making this plate of cookies, or making it look like a plate of cookies, I used a saucer from one of the plant sets from Pink Punch Studio, and also the Christmas cookies set, also from Pink Punch Studio. And I started off by layering the images on top of the cookie, starting off with the cookie itself, then the icing for the snowman, followed by his hat, and then after that I merged all of those images together so that they became one sticker and moved it onto the plate. I repeated this process with two more cookies, a stocking and a star, and merged all those together onto the plate. to look like a plate of cookies. And lastly, the final thing I did was use a stylus from DPC Digital's Merry Fun from last year, and I added a stylus to match the theme and the colour scheme, and resize that and put it into the right position. Once done with that, I merged everything together to create one image, and then I saved it to my device, and I will show you that then will open up in my gallery, and you are then free to post that in your Facebook groups that you're part of or on your Instagram. Anyway, that's it. That's all I need to show you for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.